Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 4 says solve the following. Negative 16 equals 9 minus 5x. And so I'm asked to solve the equation. So I'm going to go through the process. The left side is already in simplest form, and so is the right side, meaning there's no like terms to combine, there's no distributive property. Now I'm going to look to isolate my variable terms on one side and my number terms on the other. So I have a negative 5x, and I want to isolate that, which means I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides. Negative 16 minus 9 is negative 25. 9 minus 9 is 0, or as some people say, it cancels out. And 0 minus 5x is negative 5x. Now I want to get the coefficient on my variable term equal to 1. Right now it's a negative 5. Since negative 5 is being multiplied by x, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 5. So negative 25 divided by negative 5 is 5. Negative 5 divided by negative 5 is 1x. And so I find out that x is equal to 5.